Hello everyone, it's teacher Lyhong here, and today I want to share all of you about our trip to Keat Farms. Honestly, it is such a refreshing and meaningful experience. Keat Farm is really green, natural place. The moment we arrive here, the peaceful surroundings just hit us. Feels like a reset day from a busy cities. I saw animals, asked questions, and thought about what really means for living beings. What stood out me the most was the balance. It was not really a learning, it's also about enjoying. The animals sparks conversation about responsibility and self-care. But at the same time, students were laughing, working together, and building a strong friendships. Those little moments of connection are just as important as lesson. And the farm itself is not just a place to raise animals, but it's a space for education, relaxation, and fun. That kind of creative learning environment I would love to see more for our students. Overall, this trip gives us knowledge, joy, and stronger bond. I'm sure that next time our students will join this trip, because this trip reminds us that learning is not only about the books, it's about exploring, living together, and growing together. Thank you.